This is Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can, add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, launch the calendar app, then select the date that you would like to create an event for. Tap at this plus icon to your bottom right. In here, set up the event details such as event title, its time frames, location. Choose your, or rather set your reminding preferences, or choose when you would like to be reminded about this event. Then make this, if needed, if required, make this event repetitive or reoccurring, as well as change the event nodes, thus details, or attach some files. You can also change the color that this event will be assigned with inside the calendar, so you will be able to easier find it among other calendar stuff you can have going on. Then upon tapping at the event, you can see its details as well as edit them, or remove the event entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.